how to manage which buttons to show on the toolbar on Microsoft Edge browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Microsoft Edge, this is the home page. Go right here, click on those three dots and go down, click on settings. After you click on settings, it will take you to this page as you can see. Now all what you have to do is simple. Just go right here and click on this appearance option. After you click on appearance, now all what you have to do is just scroll down like this. And here you will find select which buttons to show on the toolbar. You can enable or disable any button you want, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.